Well, the so-called Oklahoma Survivors Act may have a second chance at becoming law. In April, Governor Kevin Stitt vetoed the bill, which allows domestic abuse survivors to receive lesser sentences for crimes against their aggressor. News 4's Caitlin Ogle tells us why supporters are confident they can win approval this time around.
Oklahoma women are struggling.
Angela Beatty with the YWCA says domestic abuse survivors often have to protect themselves after all other avenues fail.
51% of women in the state of Oklahoma experience some sort of violence, abuse, or coercion. Oklahoma Survivors Act is very much needed legislation in Oklahoma.
House Majority Floor Leader Representative John Echols and Senate Pro Tem Greg Treat wrote the bill, which would allow victims to use evidence of their abuse to receive a lesser sentence. It would also work retroactively.
All you can do, though, is use that in the sentencing phase of the crime.
It overwhelmingly passed the House and the Senate, then vetoed by Governor Kevin Stitt.
It was a tough blow to the field when the bill got vetoed.
The governor says he's worried about the law being used as a loophole.
You could have your fourth DUI going the wrong way on 35 and kill a man, a wife, and two of their kids, and then you could have brought up some psychological trauma from their childhood that was totally unrelated.
Treat says he and Echols were aware.
Because we were already working to fix those, we just didn't get agreement before that bill went to his desk.
Now they've put the language in a different compromise bill, adding a crystal clear rule.
If I am in a relationship and I'm abused by my partner, I can't use that as a defense if I commit a crime against someone else.
Echols says he and Treat have an agreement with the governor to approve this bill.
Oklahoma women need relief, and bills like this could absolutely be a step in the right direction.
In Oklahoma City, Caitlin Ogle, Oklahoma's News 4.
And the bill is now heading to the Senate committee, and if all goes according to plan, it will then head to the Senate floor, the House floor, then the governor's desk.